Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking on a quick video tour of our Audi A6 Avant. So this is our 2014 Audi A6 Avant. It's an SE spec. It's covered just over 104,000 miles. It's got good service history, 2 previous owners. And whilst in our care, we've replaced the all-important cam belt and water pump, given it a service, a fresh MOT, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. It's a 2-litre diesel, manual gearbox. You get great fuel economy out of it. And it's really, really practical. And looks fantastic as well. I really do like this age of Audi. Inside, you've got full heated leather seats in the front. DAB radio, SatNav, Bluetooth, aux input. Steering wheel controls, cruise control. It's very, very well equipped. Fold-in power mirrors as well. It's all in really good condition too. Plenty of legroom in the back. Very, very comfortable. Absolutely huge boot to match. A very, very practical motor. All in all, it's a lovely motor, been looked after, good service history, few little age-related marks in it, like stone chips on the front and the odd little bit here and there, but nothing for a car with this sort of mileage. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.